Today on Make Shape Create, we're making a better way to store our bits. Hey guys, I'm Corey. This is Make Shape Create, and today we're gonna do some organization. So, if you guys have seen before, we did a clamp and bit organization thing for our old workbench. I don't know, year and a half ago. Video will be linked up here. But once we did the new workbench, can't link that yet, but it'll be linked in here somewhere. We didn't have a space to put them, which is a good thing because the old system wasn't great. I constantly was stabbing myself, blah, blah, yada, yada. So we're going to make some new bit storage. We got some new bits, we got some old bits, we got some router bits. So we're gonna combine all these and get one system that allows for growth, but also is way more organized. So I say we get to it. Okay, so we have all kinds of bits. Like I said, we have router bits, we have, regular drilling, screw bits, drilling bits, blah, blah. I just bought a bunch more for, because why not? Forstner bits, which we have some old ones. I want this to encompass what we have, but also allow room for growth because you always need new ones. You know what I mean? You're always going to need that one-off that you didn't think of, and so you need to get it, right? So, we need a little bit of room for growth, but at the same time, I want the two of these kind of together because the only time I'm going to use this is with this, so on and so forth. So, yeah, that's what we kind of need to do. I have a bunch of 2x4 scraps that I think we can use to facilitate this a little easier, along with just a couple 2x4s. It's going to go on the back of the miter saw table anyway, so it'll match the aesthetic. That's the plan. Let's get to cutting and drilling. Okay, so with all these, we were able to drill them all the way through because they can just hang there. The head's bigger than the hole. We're starting to get into ones that is not the case. So we're going to do them kind of how we did these, where they just will rest up into a point. And to do them, we're going to use the 5/8 one because I think that's the biggest hole that they have. Well, these might be bigger. We're gonna find out. No, I think that's right. It'll be tight. We'll get it to work. But we're gonna do the same way where we're marking out, one, however many, 1, 2. We can go a little closer together on these. And I think we're gonna put a couple of our metal cutting ones in here on the end, just to give these some place to go. Yes, I think that's what we're doing. I'm making this up as I go along. Have you figured that out yet? Par for the course, right guys? Let's get going. If we were to do these all 6.5 inches apart, that should give us plenty of clearance room for each one to rotate. Okay, so we've gotten all the ones I'm going to make done. We need to figure out how tall the tallest one is, which is this one, which is just about rotate. And I think it should leave us enough room to incorporate more. That's it. Super easy. It was a little time consuming just because you got all the holes to drill. If you had like a CNC machine or something like that, this would be way quicker. And you could probably just do it out of like plywood or something like that. I used to use 2x4s because it was what I had handy and it didn't have to look pretty. It just has to be functional. But this is way easier. I'm not gonna stab myself on it. I'm not gonna poke myself on it or break a bit, like reaching across or anything like that. It's out of the way, but still utilizes space that wasn't being utilized before. So I'm happy. I got some room for growth up here and in some of the trays. So yeah, if this gave you guys an idea of something you'd like to try, leave it down below. We'd like to hear about it. Hopefully you like this video. If so, there'll be another one up here that YouTube's gonna suggest for you. I'm not sure what it is. There'll be another one down here too. I'm not sure what that's gonna be either because, well, I'm not editing it. So yeah, but there'll be another one down there. And hopefully we'll see you next week. See you guys.